Morning all of you. In last video we will discuss about lifestyle and importance of lifestyle, and today's topic is component of physical fitness. There are five physical fitness component. First one is strength, second one is endurance, next one is speed, flexibility, coordinate ability or agility. We will discuss only two, strength and endurance, today. First one is strength. It is an ability of muscles to overcome resistance. Strength can be defined as the amount of force a muscles can exert. It is an essential component for games and sports. Different games require different levels and type of strength. It can be improved through systematic training. And type of strength. First one is static strength. It is also known as isometric strength. It is the ability to act against resistance from single or one position. Example: arm wrestling, powerlifting, pushing wall, etc. Next one is dynamic strength. It is also known as isotonic strength. It is related to movement, thus we can say that it is required for movement. It is of three types. First one is maximal strength. It is the ability to act against maximum resistance. It is the quality of muscles to contract forcefully in the quickest possible time. It is also known as power. It is more required in weightlifting, throwing, wrestling, etc. It can be measured by throw attempts and powerlifting. Next one is explosive strength. It is the ability to overcome resistance with a high speed. In fact, it is the combination of strength and speed. In simple words, it is the ability of muscles to perform forceful movement at quickest possible time. It is also termed as power, generally required in jumping activity and also in those games and sports where very fast and powerful responses are required. This strength can be measured by dynamometers or by jumps chinning test. Strength endurance. It is the combination of strength and endurance ability. It is defined as the ability to overcome resistance under fatigue condition. This quality enables a person to sustain localized muscles group or extended period of time. It is commonly required for long distance races, swimming, road cycling, and mountaineering, etc. Strength endurance can be measured through chin-ups. And second one is speed. It is the ability to perform movement at faster rate. In other words, it is the ability to move as fast as possible. Speed is basically dependent on heredity but can be improved through proper training. It is one of the important components for sprinting and also required for fast responses. Skills in games and sports. Speeds can be measured through reflex test, short sprint, etc. It is of three types. First one is reaction time. It is the time taken by the body to respond immediately after the stimulus It can also be said as the first reactions to bring body into action. Next one is acceleration. It is the time taken by the body to reach maximum speed. This helps to gain initial speed during action. Speed of movement. It is the quickness of complete action or movement. In other words, it is time taken by the body to perform complete action. It is also known as locomotor ability.